Now that we have covered how to organize your course content, let's explore the type of content you can add to your course. When you enter your course through the Editor tool, you can add content to your course by either clicking the Add Activity link or by clicking a plus sign on a folder. Both actions will bring up a pop-up with different types of resources and activities you might add to your course. The pop-up is divided into two columns: Resources and Activities. On this side, we have Resources. These are items a teacher might upload to deliver different types of content to their students. You have the option to add an embed code. Say you want to embed a Google slide deck or a video or anything with an embed code. You can add a file attachment like a PDF and a Google Doc. You can also create a rich text resource, which basically acts as a blank canvas. You can add text, a video, an image, or all three. You can also add a website link or a YouTube video. On the other side, we have activities. These are items a teacher creates for students to interact with. These are items that can be set up to have a grade and a submission. They can also be used for practice and feedback and can be left ungraded. Here, a teacher can add an assessment. The assessment activity type can have as many questions as you like. You can create 8 different types of questions: custom, essay, fill in the blank, matching, multiple answer, multiple choice, and ordering. You can also add a passage and attach questions to it. The assessment activity type is auto-graded unless you use the essay question type. You will have to manually grade that specific question. The others will be auto-graded. The assignment activity type is the most commonly used activity. The assignment activity type can be used for any type of classroom work. It can be used to grade a paper that a student physically turns in, or it can be used as a place for students to submit their work digitally. Within the assignment settings, teachers have the option to select how students will turn in their assignment. The next activity type is the blog. This is a place where students can share their knowledge, thoughts, and opinions with their classmates. The discussion activity type is just that, a place for students to post threads and interact on a specific topic of discussion. The journal is a place for students to write. The course teacher creates one journal activity which then allows each student to have their own personal writing place. Only the teacher and each individual student can see, write, and add comments to their personal journal. A journal can last a day, a week, or an entire school year. It can be graded or ungraded and can be used as a feedback tool. The peer assessment tool is used for students to assess one another using either an NTN rubric or a teacher-created rubric. Students can assess one another on skills such as collaboration, which might be tough for a teacher to assess individually. The practice question activity type is just like the assessment activity type, except there is no essay question type. It is meant to be auto-graded and give students immediate feedback. The Wiki activity type is like a website that students can create to show what they have learned that will live directly in Echo. Students can have their own personal wiki, or the course teacher can set it up so students are working on a wiki as a group. Take a moment now to explore the different types of course resources and activity types. Try creating one of each. Explore the activity settings and use the linked articles for support.